Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have linear chain. You have two functional group amine and chlorine. You are reacting with potassium hydroxide and water. You should find what will be the final product. The answer lies in the basics. There are three different mechanisms possible. One is SN1, SN2 and neighboring group participation. Here neighboring group participation is possible. Nitrogen with lone pair attack, form 3-member ring. The lone pair assists the leaving group which is Cl. Then next up nucleophile attacks. Nucleophile attacks, ring open, nitrogen charge quant. You have OH attachment. Here you may realize why OH don't attack nitrogen. Even though nitrogen is charged, the valency is saturated, so only attack on the second carbon is possible. The concept you have to learn here is whenever you have lone pair in the system, you should imagine neighboring group participation mechanism.
That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.